USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against Canadians. Before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, do all of that. And below the video, you'll find a link which says the first link. It says swing trading and automation. So click on that first link and come to this page here and go and check out this video because it will help you to set up swing trading on automation. Have you heard that before? Never. Okay. I'm the first person on the planet to automate swing trading without doing anything manually. You will not hear that, okay? So there's no person on the planet who has automated swing trading until me, okay? So go and check out, then only you'll understand what I'm saying. Because if you want to make money, then you need to take quality trades, and quality trades are only happening on the higher time frame. So if anybody is bullshitting you about 1 hour trading or 30 minutes trading or 5 minutes scalping, it's all bullshit. You will make money sometimes and you will lose money most of the times in short term time frame, okay? So don't fool yourself. If you really want to make money for number of years to come, you have to adapt to higher time frame, which is daily or maybe 4-hour minimum. But I have automated everything, so make sure, no matter how small or big trader you are, this is for everybody, okay? So go and click on the first link and come and check out this video, and then only you will know what I'm talking about. So let's get back, subscribe, like, do all of that. Coming back to the chart, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are above the EMA slightly, so we might be starting the uptrend this week. Who knows? Okay, we have to wait and watch. I think we might just slightly close below the EMA in weekly by Friday. So time will tell, but I think this was the candle maybe. Let me see. Yeah, this was the candle on 16th of June, I think, okay? This is when I told, once we had this candle, I said in my videos that this is the start of the new uptrend in weekly. So look what has happened. From 16th June, now we are in September. After like 3 months, okay? I predicted here itself. You know why? Because we had engulfed this weekly red candle, okay? So I knew this candle is eaten by this this blue candle. So this was your new uptrend, pullback, new high, pullback, new high, okay? So I told you this is the uptrend 3 months ago itself, all right? But anyways, what happens, what's going to happen today? You will not get to know that in weekly. So weekly, I think we might push down because we have I think exhausted the long position here. So this was your previous high. So looks like we're in the uptrend, but we have exhausted the momentum. Okay, so I think we should be taking a pullback before we go for another long. Okay, so if you use your fib levels from here till here, that's it. EMA, yeah, EMA is your resistance, support, sorry. So price has to come back until the EMA before we go long again, all right? So I don't see any I don't see any long trades in USDCAD for now as per the daily chart because we are exhausted, okay? We are exhausted, so we have to come back, pull back until the EMA, and then blue candle, then we go up again, all right? Coming back to 4 hour here, in 4 hour again, we are exhausted, okay? You can see here, so we had been in the uptrend, pull back, otherwise I don't enter. So look for longs in USDCAD after each pullback. That's all I have for you. But if you want to automate everything without worrying about any of this, whether again I'm telling you, even if you're an expert, go and check out the first link below. Even if you're a newbie, go and check out the first link below. Come to this page. Swing trading on automation. No fucking buddy has done this. I'm the first human on the planet to do this. Subscribe, like, check out everything. Watch this video, then only you will know what I'm talking about. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.